Going on YouTube. Today I got another real quick install video for you. I'm going to show you how to install the OLM paint matched lower mirror cover. This is going on 2019 STI, but this is for most newer model Subarus, probably 2015 and up. If you find this content helpful or the video helpful, please remember to subscribe. Let's get right into the install. All right, for this install, tools I have handy is a trim tool if you have it. If you don't, it's no big deal, and a Phillips head screwdriver. So first things first, get this lower cover off, pop it in there, pull it off. This is the OLM cover right here. It does not work with puddle lights, so if you have a puddle light set up, you'll have to either remove it or you just won't be able to use it, either which way. But on the factory mirror, you have a little screw right here in the bottom. You have to remove this panel, just a little block off plate. Take that out. I always just put the screw back in just for safekeeping. That's just me. Of course, you don't have to. You take the new cover and pop it into place. And that's pretty much the install on the lower mirror cover. Like I say, if you find this content or video helpful, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Thank you for watching.